One of the trickiest medium problems on LeetCode. You can change at most k characters in a string, and you want the longest substring where all characters are the same. The brute force is obvious, but there's a one-line insight that makes this problem almost trivial. Ready? Here's the problem. You have a string of uppercase letters and a number k. You're allowed to change at most k characters to anything you want. After the changes, find the longest substring where every character is the same. For s equals AAB, ABB, A and k equals 1, we can change one character. Take AABA, change that B to A, and we get AAAA, length 4. That's the answer. More examples. S is ABAB, K is 2. We can change two characters. Change both BS to A, the whole string becomes AAAA, length 4. Easy. Now S is AAB, ABBA, K is 1. We can change one character. Take AABA, change the B to A, we get AAAA, or take ABBB, change A to B, BBBB, both give length 4. That's the max. The question is, how do we find this efficiently without trying every possibility? Here's the golden insight. Look at any window in the string. Count the most frequent character in that window. To make the whole window one character, we keep those frequent ones and change everything else. So the number of changes needed equals window size minus the count of the most frequent character. If that number is less than or equal to k, the window is valid. We can make it all one character with at most k changes. That's the formula, window size minus max frequency less than or equal to k. Let's see the formula. Window is AABA, length 4. Most frequent character is A, appearing 3 times. Changes needed, 4 minus 3 equals 1. K is 1. Is 1 less than or equal to 1? Yes. Valid window. Now try AABAB, length 5. A appears 3 times. Changes needed, 5 minus 3 equals 2. But K is 1. 2 is greater than 1, invalid. We need to shrink the window. The algorithm. Use an array of 26 counts, 1 for each letter. Track the maximum frequency in the current window. Expand right, add the new character, update its count and the max frequency. Now check, is window size minus max frequency greater than k? If yes, the window is invalid. Shrink from the left, decrease the left characters count, move left forward. Track the maximum valid window size throughout. That's the whole approach. Let's trace through. S is AAB, ABBA, K is 1. Start expanding. A, valid, length 1. AA, valid, length 2. AAB, changes needed is 1, valid, length 3. AABA, A appears 3 times, changes needed is 1, valid, length 4. AABAB, changes needed is 2, that's more than K, shrink. Remove first A. Still invalid. Shrink again. BAB, valid, length 3. Expand. BABB, B is 3, changes is 1, valid, length 4. BABBA, changes is 2, shrink. And so on. The best we found is 4. Here's the C++ code. We use a count array of size 26, 1 for each letter. Left starts at 0, max frequency at 0. Loop right through the string. Add the right character to the count array. Update max frequency. Now check, if window size minus max frequency exceeds k, the window is invalid. Shrink by decreasing the left characters count and moving left forward. Update max length. Return it. Clean, about 18 lines. Notice something subtle. When we shrink the window, we don't decrease max frequency. Why? Because a smaller max frequency can only give us a smaller or equal window. We've already recorded that size. We only care about finding bigger windows, and that only happens when max frequency increases. So a stale max frequency just means the window won't grow, it won't give us wrong answers. This optimization keeps the code simple, no need to recalculate the max frequency when shrinking. Dry run with ABAB, K equals 2. Write 0, A, count A is 1, max frequency 1. Window size 1, changes needed 0. Valid, length 1. Write 1, B, count B is 1, max freq still 1. Size 2, changes 1. Valid, length 2. Right 2, A, count A is 2, max freq is 2. Size 3, changes 1. Valid, length 3. Right 3, B, count B is 2, max freq 2. Size 4, changes 2. Is 2 less than or equal to 2? Yes. Valid. Length 4. The whole string works. Return 4. Complexity. Time, O of n. We go through the string once with the right pointer. The left pointer also moves at most 10 times total. So overall, O of n, space, O of 1. The count array has exactly 26 slots, regardless of input size. No hash maps, no extra strings. Just a fixed size array and a few variables. Simple, fast, and elegant. And that's LeetCode 424. The key formula, window size minus max frequency less than or equal to k. The same expand and shrink pattern we've seen before. The unique twist, we don't need to update max frequency when shrinking because it can't help us find a bigger window. This same idea applies to problems like max consecutive ones with at most k flips. If you've been following this series, you now know fixed size window, variable size with sets, to map windows, and frequency-based windows. That's the complete sliding window toolkit. Like and subscribe for more.